Hello students, let's we continue the lesson Cell, the unit of life. It is the lesson of class 11th with topic cytoskeleton. Cyto, the words related to cytoplasm, and skeleton we know that the structural external or internal skeletal structure of the cell, and it is the skeleton structure of the cytoplasm. That's why we called it cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton is mainly divided into three types, or not actually division of that. These are the parts of the cytoskeleton. It shows the three parts. The first one we called microfilaments, intermediate filaments, and microtubules. These are the three main parts of the cytoskeleton, and it prepared the skeletal structure of the cytoplasm. Then firstly we talk about this microfilament. Obviously, according to their name, these are the filamentous structure. And that filamentous are very thin and micro structure. These are long, solid, cylindrical, rod-like structure, and mainly it is made up of a protein, and that we call the actin protein. Actin protein is not found in alone, it is always found with another protein that we called myosin protein, and both actin and myosin are the part of muscle cell. Actually these proteins are help in the muscular contraction. We called it, they are help in muscular contraction and relaxation. Help in muscular contraction and relaxation. According to their size, or we call the diameter, it is about 5 to 6 μm in diameter. Means these are very thin. And these location we called it, or these are found in muscle cells. We already talked about it. Then they are also found in microvilli. Microvilli are generally present in the inner side of the small intestine, and they are directly or freely suspended in cytoplasm and help to make the skeletal structure of the cytoplasm. In muscles, their structure is like suppose this is the muscle cells, and these are in the bundle form. These threads are totally scattered in the cytoplasm in the bundle form. And in case of actin and myosin filaments, association with myosin, they are in the solid form, and the lumen of that is solid lumen. We called it solid lumen. And in case of the microvilli, here we draw the structure of microvilli. They are in the microvillus form, and in freely suspended in the cytoplasm, they are also in the irregular shape. In cytoplasm, they may be the irregular shape. This is the microvilli part found inner wall of the small intestine. This is about the microfilament. Now we move towards the microtubules. Tubules are there, that's why they are hollow structure, we called it. Inner side they have a space or lumen, and this is hollow pipe like structure. And it is made up of similarly the protein, and the protein is a tubular protein, and that we also call the tubulin. The name of the protein is tubulin. Then location of the microtubules, or we call where are they located? They are generally found in cilia. They are suspended all over the body structure or all over the body part of the lower organism. They may be present in flagella, in basal granules, They are present in spindle fiber. Spindle fiber are formed during the cell division process. They are present in the sperm tail, in aster ray. Aster ray also produced during the cell division process or mitosis and meiosis, and they also present in centrioles. These are the location of the microtubules. Generally, tubulin protein, it is made up of it is a dimeric protein. Dimeric protein means it is made up of two units. The one unit we called alpha unit, while the second one is called beta unit. And there is the formation of the alternate of the alpha and beta unit. Here we draw the structure of the microfilaments. They are internally hollow structure having a wide lumen, and the tubular part around the lumen are in 13 part it is divided, or 13 microtubules are combined to form a single tubular part. Here we draw the 13 part: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13 one. In this pattern they are situated or present. The lumen of the microtubules inside, we call the diameter of the microtubules inside is 150 angstrom. Actually that total structure is 250 angstrom and the lumen is 150 angstrom. That's why the thickness of the tubule, we called it thickness of microtubules, is 100 angstrom. Then 50 angstrom from here side and the 50 angstrom from that side. And the dimension or the situation of the alpha and beta tubulin protein in this pattern, we are look here the transverse view of it. These are the alpha protein, they are located in this pattern, and just below the beta tubulin part is located, and they form a band like structure. These are the alternate band like structure for the muscle cells in actin and myosin. Microtubules in cilia and flagella, So these are the alpha unit, and this is red color is the beta unit. They are alternately arranged to each other, and that arrangement we call the protofilament. Now we talk about the function of the microtubules. The main function of the microtubules is the formation of spindle apparatus. Spindle formation takes place during the cell division. And the aster ray are responsible for it, help in cell division. The second function of the microtubules, it regulates mobility of the cell. Because the structure of cilia and flagella is made up of microtubules, and both these structures are responsible for the movement of the cell. It also helps in cyclosis of cytoplasm. It forms skeletal structure of cell. Now we talk about the third filaments are the intermediate filaments. These are bigger size than microfilaments. They are having a diameter 10 nanometer. And the main function of the intermediate filaments are they provide strength to the cytoskeleton. They are freely suspended in cytoplasm, and as usual of the microfilaments and microtubules, they are also made up of protein. These are also the structure of protein, and they provide the strength to the cytoskeleton freely suspended in the cytoplasm and prepared prepared the cytoskeletal structure. This is about the cytoskeleton. If you want the notes related to that topic, then please check the description box. In next video, we talk about the next cell organelles. Thank you.